Use the cargo space more efficiently to suit your storage needs. If you are unloading in the dark, use the LED interior light to illuminate the cargo area. Now it's easy to find and remove items. With V2L, you can conveniently use a variety of electronic devices inside the vehicle. The indicator light turns blue for standby, green when in use, and red if the plug is connected but power isn't being supplied correctly. The flat cargo area floor keeps boxes and large items level to stabilize the load. And because there are no odd angles in the vehicle frame, you can load items more efficiently, without any gaps. The L-Track package can be installed on the upper wheelhouse, roof, or partition of the cargo space. You can use the L-Track to secure cargo. Use these features to suit your needs and make the most of your cargo space.
Kia, movement that inspires.